Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please, I'm just a human. I stand to be corrected. I just want to ask an honest question. So I really need someone to educate me about Afe Babalola because since 3 days ago, I've been studying the man. I want to ask an honest question. Where did Afe Babalola, an ordinary lawyer, where did he see money to build university, build campuses? Mind you, I am not indicting him more than what the US diplomacy book something, the PDF have indicted him. The Wikileaks classified document, everything he did with Obasanjo, how he bought judiciary, bought judges with money. I am not indicting him more than that. Dele Farotimi wrote book about it. We understood. We even know everything Dele Farotimi wrote. It's not because he wrote it, okay? Now, the question I'm asking, Afe Babalola, what is his business apart from being an ordinary lawyer? I know he's a lawyer to Obasanjo, attorney to the government and so on and so forth. How much was his salary? How did he get the money to build university and build campuses? It is time we start asking questions. We must continue to ask questions. We must question everything. Where did Baba see money to build university? Even though he worked for 50 years, how much is his salary? How did he get the land? How did he build these campuses? So I want to know. As I said before, not that I'm indicting him. It's my right to ask questions of something I don't know. So now I don't know anything. I study his life. I've been taking time to really research, do one thing or the other. I want to know how he made his money. Because you cannot be taking money from president to bribe judges, buy judges, and they still put you as the image of Nigeria judiciary. That you are the one of the oldest judges, oldest lawyer. You are everything Nigeria judiciary represent. Yes, that is the man. He's everything Nigeria judiciary represent. Corruption and everything you can talk about. How did he get his money to build the university? I am just asking. So I don't know. If you know, comment in the comment section. Let me know. Because now I am playing ignorance of the source of his wealth. And I bet you, Afe Babalola, it doesn't take him anything to reply to this classified document of US diplomacy. It doesn't take him anything to reply to it. And this man must reply to it. If he did not reply to it, anything he sees on social media, he should be able to entertain it. We need answer to how Obasanjo gave this man thousands of dollars, 250,000 for each person. And maybe they have 7 judges. You times 250 something thousand into 7. You know how much it is? 250 something thousand dollars. We are talking about getting to $500 million today. That is what they gave to one judges. And when Dele Farotimi said that this man destroyed Nigeria judiciary, he started harassing him with his power. We want to ask, how did you make your money, Afe Babalola? Let us calculate your salary. Let us go to civil service bureau. Let us bring out your pension. How much have you received so far? I know that people must have paid you in the service to go and represent them. No problem. How much did you use to build your university? I want to know. I want to know because we can't continue like this. So you have the right. You are a human being, no matter how old you are, because you started this battle, right? No matter how old you are. So it is very important for you to come out now and tell us, how did Obasanjo give you the money? What transpired? Are you the one that begged Obasanjo to give you money? Obasanjo gave you money to the judges. How much did he give you personally? Why must you accept to go such an errand? And why are you saying you are not the one that destroyed judiciary? Why did you sue Dele Farotimi when you know yourself you have engaged in corruption? You know yourself you have engaged in all these shenanigans. You know within yourself as you are sitting down there what transpired between you and Obasanjo. You know how you collected the money, whether it's through your bank, whether it's through Ghana Must Go Bank. You know the escort that took you to the judges. You know the outcome of the judgment, how people's will were shattered. You know why I'm saying this? I know the pain of 2023 presidential election. After election, we were seeing as in all sort of manipulation and so on and so forth. I was saying, oh, so this is how the trick of judiciary is all about. So I am using it to reflect what Afe Babalola did then. So people must have voted for people who they want to rule this country. But Afe Babalola and Baba Obasanjo, they connived together and bribe the judges. I am not the one saying it. That is why I'm saying Afe Babalola should go and respond to the classified document of the US diplomacy. Go and respond to that document so that we will be free and understand what went wrong. But if you refuse to answer to that document, we are going to drag you down to the core. You started this fight. We did not bring the fight to your table. You did not sue the US classified document and the source of the classified document. You did not sue them because you know you don't have the power and they will expose you more. But Dele Farotimi, because yes, this person is a junior lawyer, can intimidate him. You just go and sue him, ask police from Ekiti State to come and carry him in Lagos State, return him back to Ekiti State. I am clapping for you, right? You will sue everybody. You must answer to this allegation. This one is not Dele Farotimi now. This is a classified document from US diplomacy. Everything you people did, how you met the INEC, is in that book. Nothing changed up to today. Nothing changed. Everything that has been happening right from that time, it is still the same thing that is happening up to today. Nothing changed. Absolutely nothing. Nothing changed. And that is why if people are even talking about next election 2027, I am still laughing them because person like Afe Babalola is still there. Who can even make up this is a system. Nigeria corruption is a system already. And once something becomes a system, it is very difficult for you to stop it. You can't stop a system because a system can continue without a person. They have already set the standard of the system. Time without number. I remind you of what happened in the Senate floor. Last year here, it's not far. Where is it last year? Yes, now under Lawan. When Lawan was about to hand over to Akpabio, where a senator came and voiced out that he uses his wife as a PICO judge, a PICO president, to grant favor to his colleague. He said it openly. Who invited the man? Who invited the PICO retired judge or president? Who invited them? So they just go away with every corruption they did. Even the one they confessed with their mouth. Nobody questioned them. And nobody invited them. DSS did not arrest the man. Police did not arrest the man. And tomorrow, if somebody now write a book, how these people destroy Nigeria and judiciary, someone will begin to make out to police. Now that call will kill now. The pain people are going through today, judiciary is the cause. You know why I say judiciary is the cause? Because, come to think of it, if people don't like this present leadership, what are they supposed to do? They will do what they did in 2023, to vote them out. But who are you going to vote out? Your vote is not going to count. And even though they count your vote, in your present, they tear your vote, they'll ask you to go to court. They asked you to go to court because they know that there is a system of judicial corruption that has been already laid down. And when you go to court, the court will quash all of your evidence. They will tell you that this is not evidence, this is not evidence. They will dismiss your case. You go to Supreme Court, they will dismiss your case because there is a corruption in the judicial system. A very big corruption. So many judges have been saying this. Dele Farotimi is not the first person that said that. And this is what we know. It's not as if we don't know what is going on. We know what is going on. So I am disappointed. I am highly, highly disappointed at Afe Babalola. You know why I'm disappointed? I'm disappointed not because the man was corrupt. Because that is what we know. But I am disappointed because he was trying to defend that he's not corrupt when you know that you are corrupt. That is hypocrisy. That is wickedness. You, Afe Babalola, you know you are corrupt. You know you bought judgment. You know you bought judges. You know you aided Obasanjo to do all these things. Then why are you arresting somebody who says so? This is what you know. Not as if, oh, this man defamed me. This is defamation. It's not true. Baba, you know it's true. You know it's true. Everything a man sow, you shall reap it. Not in heaven, not in hell. I don't join people who talk about you will take your reward in heaven. No, this life you are living, you will take your reward. And that your reward have started now. Do you know how many pains you people, all your set, Afe Babalola, Obasanjo, Babangida, Buhari, all these people, do you know how many people you people have killed? Do you know how many people you people have shattered their dreams? Do you know what you have made people to go through? Do you know what you have made people to go through? Do you know how many people die in the Mediterranean Sea because of you people? Because we keep quiet too much in this country. And you people are doing what you are doing because you have the police and the military. One day go over or not. You people don't know what you are doing. Old age is nothing if you can't respect yourself. At this point, I expected that, all these people who made Nigeria to be like this, who have caused all this pain, what they should be doing is restitution. Trying to say, we made a mistake. Please, the younger generation, don't do this. This is our mistake. That is why things are like this. They are not accepting. They are not accepting. They are trying to defend, still trying to play sanctimonious that they are holy. Corrupt people, evil. Evil and corrupt old generations. And that is why I don't believe any institution. All these people, they don't have doctors in Nigeria. They don't have lawyers in Nigeria. They don't have, what is it called? They don't have their properties in Nigeria. Everything is in abroad. What you see in Nigeria is just peanut of their money. They have their banks, their houses, their doctors, all their children are in abroad, but they will live state of, I don't know the adjective to quantify the kind of school they will build for you, the kind of hospital they will build for you, the kind of road they will build for you. They will take their children to the high school because they know that the school they are building for you is not good enough to raise their children. But they build it for you because you don't think. The kind of hospital they go is not in Nigeria because they know that it's substandard equipment they put in your hospital because they want you to go there. Their children will not go there. Afe Babalola, what is the source of your wealth? We want to know. It's just an ordinary question I am asking like ordinary citizen. Enough is enough for all these shenanigans. Get Dele Farotimi out of that place. Don't think that the protest they are saying they want to do in London, in your chamber, in Lagos, that is not going to hold. They will shut it down. No level. They will shut it down. So, the evil that men does, always follow them. Afe Babalola, the evidence is there. Come and defend it. You have done enough evil against humanity in Nigeria, against the institution. You have corrupted the judiciary according to this classified document until you come and defend it. So the information available is what we are working with. So you need to come out and defend yourself. Until then, you are so corrupt and evil man.